Hi Geminis, how are y'all? I hope everything is well with you guys. I want to see what messages we have for you guys for the month of May. These are general reads, so they won't resonate with every single Gemini. But if it does happen to resonate, guys, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and if you're new, click the bell to subscribe. These messages are very general, guys, so the energies can be vice versa. So this could be your energy or this could be your partner's energy. All right. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. All right, guys. We have unrequited love for past energy. So there's not enough chemistry to keep this thing going. The situation could possibly have been very unbalanced. Okay. What additional messages do we have for Gemini? Alright, we have give your relationship a chance for the present energy. And for future energy, we have romantic feelings. Okay. So let's grab some clarifiers here. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. I feel like a lot of you guys do feel like you deserve love. You know what you want. This situation could involve a marriage, or there's just a sense of you knowing what you want, okay? You know you want and deserve to be married, live the happy life with the husband, wife, family, building a legacy. And you definitely could be feeling like, you know what, it's going to be worth the wait, okay? Maybe some of you guys decide to wait it out because something in the past was just not it, okay? So let's see. Geminis, what message do you have for Geminis? What messages do you have for Geminis? Let's just start there for Geminis for the month of May. And you guys' birthdays, I think, are coming up soon. Okay, yes. Some of you guys are carrying a burden and you decided that you want to close out this chapter. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Leo. Okay. Yeah, some of you guys could have possibly been married. And you felt like this situation, this is not what this is about. Okay. Or you've been with this person for a long time. You've been committed to this person for a long time. Or some of you guys have been dealing with a Taurus. Okay. Look, we got the Justice card. Some of you guys could be dealing with the Libra. But you want this situation to have more balance. Okay? If you decide to give this relationship another chance, you want this thing to be balanced. Okay? But it looks like going into the near future, somebody here is walking away. Even though there's possibly romantic feelings, it's possibly not the same. Okay? Yep. You want something mutual. Okay, you want it to be even, you want it to be fair, you want to be treated in a certain manner, treated a certain way, the way that you feel like you deserve to be treated. Okay, it looks like some clarity needs to be gained on this. If you do decide to give the situation a chance, there needs to be clear, concise, you need to make things clear. Okay, you're willing to make things clear, but you're going to be walking away because this situation is toxic. You're willing to walk away no matter how much feelings you have for this person. If the situation is unrequited and there's no balance and we can't see eye to eye, then someone here is a toxic. Their energy is toxic. You could be dealing with the Capricorn. This is the card of Capricorn, but their energy could be toxic. There's just an unhealthy attachment here. It's codependency. You may feel like they need to give you some freedom. You may feel like you need some freedom, okay? Maybe you're trying to find out if this person has gotten into a relationship. You're trying to find out the details, but I feel like you are looking for something a whole lot different from what you had. Some of you are married, and some of you was like feeling like you regretted it. Maybe some of you guys feel like there were lots of mistakes that were made. Okay, there are lots of mistakes that made that were made. So some of you guys are going to be feeling like, you know what, the feelings that I had for you are no longer there. The situation was very, very toxic. I'm looking forward to doing things for me. I'm looking forward to getting myself together. Okay, this may cause a little bit of a ruckus. This may cause a little bit of a problem. Okay, Five of Wands. Why is the Five of Wands here? Some of you guys are dealing with the fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Got Earth energy. Got Libra. Why is the Five of Wands here? Okay, so it's going to be like a point blank, period. Okay, you're closing out this conflict. You're shutting it down. You're making it real clear. The feelings aren't the same. Okay, the feelings aren't the same. It was lots of mistakes that were made. I feel like you have learned from your mistakes and you're not willing to make those mistakes anymore. You're looking for someone who's going to treat you how you deserve to be treated. And hats off to you guys. Hats off to my Geminis. Definitely. I think in the past few readings, a lot of you guys are dealing with fire signs. Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Okay, let's see. How does Geminis feel about this person? How does the person feel about Gemini? What course of action are they going to be taking towards my Geminis? All right. I sense a new start in love, okay? Some of you guys are going to be having a new start. We got the Ace of Wands and the Lovers. The Lovers is the Gemini card. So there could be a new love offer, or this is just a new beginning for you. Like your intuition is telling you to start fresh, start new. This person could be very, have earth type energy, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, but could be very business oriented, goal oriented, focused on their money. This person, I'm definitely getting that some of you guys either live with this person, was living with this person, or you're married to this person, or you've been with them for a very long time. They could have possibly been like the man of the house, or they took care of the finances. They kept things, you know, at a steady. They kept stability. Okay, so maybe you feel like this person provides you with stability. They feel like you are holding back from them emotionally. Okay, they feel like you aren't really expressing truly how you truly feel towards them. Could be a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio involved. So they're going to be, this is like a wake-up call to them. Okay, they're going to be wanting to communicate with you again. They're going to be wanting you to open up. Yeah, they feel like you're keeping something from them, and they're wanting to know why you want to walk away, because I am sensing that someone here is going to be walking away in the near future. But I'm sensing that there's going to be a communication, a talk, okay? There's going to be some open line of communication. So they're going to be realizing that they need to open up to you and talk to you, because someone here is walking away. Yeah, they feel like you're not being open about your feelings about how you felt about the relationship in the past. And they're going to be waiting to see if you're going to leave. After they have this wake-up call, they might reach out to you, call you, text you or something. And they're like waiting to see, like, are you going to walk away? Are you really going to leave? Yeah, they're waiting to take action. Some of you guys are dealing with the fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Let's get some advice. What advice do we have for Geminis? What advice do we have for Geminis? What advice do we have for Geminis? What additional messages are there for Geminis? All right, let's see. All right, we have acceptance. It's upright. So this is acceptance of the situation. So maybe you've accepted that there possibly isn't, the fire has possibly burnt out in this situation. Okay. I feel like some of you guys have accepted this fact. You were not at peace. Okay. You could not find peace. There wasn't any peace on the situation. Presently, I feel like we have expression here. Okay, so you are ready to manifest your thoughts and transform them into acts of love. Okay, so you're manifesting the desires, you're manifesting what you want. And I feel like some of you guys are going to remain detached from this person. Okay, you're not willing to put your feelings all into it, and you're focusing on you. Is definitely what I'm getting. Definitely what I'm getting. It's like they didn't appreciate you when they had you, and now you're willing to walk away, and now they want to get their shit together and come at you with all this, oh, let's talk and this, that, and you're like, fuck no. No, don't think so. I feel like some of you guys are trying to get your peace back. This person had, look, you're going to be happier when you walk away, guys. This is when you're going to find your peace. These cards flipped out. You walked away and you're happy you did. Maybe it made you feel empowered. Yep, you're going to you walked away from a toxic situation. Look, oh my gosh. We got the Sun card, the Eight of Cups. This is being happy, okay, that you were able to walk away. This situation was toxic and you moved on from it. You decided that you were going to move on from it because there was no peace. You were not at peace with yourself. Okay. I feel like you have just expressed multiple times that this is ended. This is over. Okay. You're wanting to start new. You want a new start. All this shit that happened in the past, you are over it. You walked away and you found yourself. Okay. You're going to remain detached. They're going to come looking for you, coming trying to talk to you and trying to find out where you at, what you're doing. You're detached. You are free. Look, we got the Temperance card. Look, you have evolved. Look, someone here is spying. I'm telling you, they're going to be looking for you. They're going to become looking for you, asking questions about you. Because you are so detached from the situation. Look, they're trying to find out about you. Oh my gosh. Yes, they're trying to get you to come back home. Go Gemini. Look, I hope this message was helpful for you guys. If this message resonated, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Let me know what's going on in that comment section, y'all, because this message has been off the chain, guys. Let me know what's going on in the comment section below. Make sure you share the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, okay? I am currently running a special for new clients only. So if you would like to get your very own personal reading, that information is going to be below in the Dropbox section, okay? See you later, guys. Ciao for now.